Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arshad, IT trainer, Obat Helpers, Rangpur, Bangladesh. Let's talk today how to make money online with freelancing courses. You can learn everything on your computer and earn money sitting at in your home. For this, you need an internet connection and a computer. The most important thing in the world is your own mind setup. Yes, I will succeed. Yes, I can do this work. Yes, I will try. If you don't have self confidence, then you can't work. Know in English is very important to work online. If you don't know English, then you will have to face many problems. So you can learn English or join an English learning center. It is important to know their culture to work for clients outside the country. The most important things is your skills. Do you have such skills that you want to sell according to the service? The work of virtual assistants is very interesting. If you know all the computers related work, some people hire hourly basis, some hire on a weekly basis. If you know coding them, you can do programming language jobs on hourly basis and also on weekly basis. If you like social media, then you can also work on social media. If you have some writing habits, then you can also learn money by creating a blog. This is from my side. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.